I could need a bib after this too, so.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be sitting down eating some lobster, kind of a mukbang type style. I don't normally do these on my channel, but it's something different. So hopefully we can think of something to say while we're on. I don't know if Mark's a little bit nervous, but that's going to be hot. So we do got 6 lobsters. Really, the amount of meat in a lobster is not a whole lot. So, let's dig in. If I don't burn my flipping fingers.
Okay.
Make sure I give you all the females, or you're going to get stuff in the middle anyway. So there's stuff in a female lobster that I don't eat. So Mark normally does that. Ooh, she's full.
That's good.
Oh. I just flung it on my camera. I mean on my camera. Yeah, I flung it on my camera. My camera's up there.
I'm just gonna move that one there, babes. I'm gonna put this one in front of us. Okay, that one there's really cool.
Mmm. Ugh.
Let me get a bowl.
Mark eats all this, all the eggs and stuff that's in the lobster.
It's delicious.
Me, I clean mine before I eat it. Oh, dear God, that was hot. Oh.
Actually, come over to go.
Ah, I burned my flipping finger. And then Mark cleans out my body. He scrapes the inside of my body. You scraping the inside of my body, honey?
As you can tell, she does all the talking.
Yeah. I clean mine quick because I used to do this as my job. Ow. I can get probably, if I wanted to go quick, if they weren't so hot, I could probably get all my 3 lobsters clean before Mark ate one.
Pretty much.
It's been a while since I had lobster.
It's been a while.
Oh, I've got to clean the pooper out. Oh, la la la, my hands are hot. My hands are hot. Oh, the steam coming from this is unbearable. Thank God it's not actually hot today. It's not hot yet. We did just go to get some beer earlier, and Mark froze his butt off.
Yeah, it's very cool in the liquor store.
In the cooler. Because I don't know if they have it everywhere, but they have like a big walk-in cooler where you get all your beer, so it's already cold. So yummy.
It's hard to believe that our lobster's almost done, and I just starting on my little legs.
I can clean lobster. Have a So guys, as most of you may see, this was normally what I did my paintings on, and I know I've shown it in vlogs before, but I actually changed things around. So hopefully I can finish working on my room back there and set it up in a good way. But yeah, we will see. I needed the kitchen table back, even though we don't use it very often. But we may have to. This is kind of fun sitting here and eating, you know, and people enjoy watching this.
I'm gonna use your knife.
But I'm trying to get Mark in more videos and to do stuff with me, but he don't want to.
That is half true. Not completely true.
Half.
Half, yes.
We had no other choice but to do this one because I was going to do it.
Yeah, I know.
He's still camera shy.
Very much so.
What?
I said very much so.
Okay, as you guys see, I'm on lobster number 2, but I never ate the tail from the other one. Oh. Ah, jeepers. There's just not much lobster in it, to be honest.
I don't know about
Takes
that.
me 2 seconds to clean it out. Why?
This one's quite full.
She full?
Yes, very much so.
Come on. Freaking pinkers. Pipper. Ah!
Pinchers?
Pinchers. Yes. I don't know what I was trying to say. Pinkers. Them freaking pinkers.
I don't know why you're saying that either, to be honest with you.
I don't know. I'm all tongue-tied. Everyone's used to that already. I gave up on mine.
Yeah, I give up on that one too. Not watching that Vienna.
I'm sure people are awake now watching the video. The dog went outside. Not that she's going to eat any shellfish anyway, but normally she'd be at the table. You know, my luck, we'd give her shellfish and something would happen, and that ain't happening. That ain't happening. Mark still got my bodies to clean out yet. You still got to love on my bodies. There's no roe in this one.
Probably milk.
These tails are
Oh
some less
my
hot.
god.
What?
That's a female.
You can't see that. You can put it up a little bit.
Yeah, you can
She's
do that.
full anyway. That lobster, she full of eggs. Yeah. Oh my dear. Get the frig back here.
It's a runaway lobster.
Mm. And I swear to God, guys, Mark cooks his lobster so it's nice and juicy. It's not dry. Like, it tastes so freaking good. She nice and moist. Honey, you make your lobsters nice and moist.
Thank you. Ooh,
Hot.
She's hot. Just a little. She's very hot. Ah,
So let me know, guys, if you want to see more of these mukbangs, because I can concoct a little bit of a feast more often and do this if you guys want. And Mark will have no other choice. Because if the viewers want it, we gotta do it.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. This is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry for eating with my hands, but this is lobster.
You have to eat with your hands. Screw it. One thing with me is I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty when I eat because my hands are well cleaned 10 million times before this. I almost have like an OCD for clean hands because I watched someone the other day and it was bad. So someone that sells decals and does decals and vinyl work like I do, and she was showcasing some of her stuff, and underneath her fingernails were black. Ugh. Yeah, underneath her fingernails were black. Like, no, I like hygiene. Thank you. And that is just disgusting. Probably say that's one of my most pet peeves is that, oh, let me try to eat my tail. I need to get some tail. Oh my god, this melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's done really good.
Mmm. Sweet lord. And it comes apart so easily, but it's flippin' hot.
Oh, one thing, I saw Miss Mater.
Don't forget about the bodies there.
Hmm?
2 bodies.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna finish this one first.
You gotta stick a thing in and clean my body. As you can tell, Maggie's outside. She makes herself heard.
And that's where she's going to stay.
Oh my god. If you guys haven't tried lobster, oh my god.
Very.
The only thing is, different places in the world is different kind of lobster. But I know this lobster here, you can buy it in China. But I know there is other places where their lobster looks different.
Yep. You got lobsters that don't have claws.
Yeah, with no lobsters with no claws, that's what it is. And they got like bumpy tails or whatever. I don't know. This lobster's just good enough for me. Even though I'd love to have a feed of crawfish. I'd love to try crawfish.
Never had it though.
They must still sell bags of it at your work though.
Yeah, wait, that's something you gotta cook outside.
Why?
Because that's the stuff you put, like corn and spices and all that into it.
You don't have to, but
Sausages.
that's if you were making a big feast, but you don't have to.
Huh.
There's certain sauces and stuff you can cook it in. I watched Kara and Nate eat it the other day.
Okay.
They had a big meat pat. Well, it was 3-pound serving of just crawfish. There was nothing else with it.
Nice.
So Kara and Nate is the other people that we watch on YouTube. They're van life people.
Sorry.
What? Oh,
Getting full.
I think I can do one more.
You hear that, guys? She
So-
can do one more. So that'd be your third lobster. And I'm still...
On his first one. Because he sucks every part. I don't.
No, It's too good to throw away. So, and not only too good to throw away,
Yeah, well, Mark cleans the rest of my lobster.
they are expensive.
Yeah. Really expensive. See, I only eat the claws, the arms, and the tail. Mark does everything on the inside of the body. I just ain't got no flipping patience to sit there and pick it apart.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Excuse me. Well, I should have got something to drink.
Mm-hmm.
She's dripping wet. Oh my god.
She's full.
Full. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but hopefully you can. But it's full of red rose, so the eggs. So look.
Uh-huh, she's full.
So Mark's gonna have fun. He may get to his second lobster. I don't know. He got 3 bodies left to clean.
I don't see that, to be honest with you. I don't even see me getting to my second lobster.
Woohoo. See, less than a minute, I can pretty much have my lobster ripped apart. Meh. I think before I actually timed myself, I think I did like 200 pounds of lobster in like less than an hour. At work before, I think. When I worked at the fish plant, because it's so easy there because they have all the proper machinery. You still do most of it by hand. But.
Okay,
What?
there's one.
Mark got like a whole bowl here of the roe and Tom Alley is what it's called. What is Tom Alley? There's red roe, which is the eggs. What's the Tom Alley?
I don't know if it tastes fucking delicious. Excuse my language.
Oh, don't taste good, guys. Don't listen to him. It's disgusting. See, my mom eats it too, and
Yeah, what my mom eat too.
but my mom loves it, but I don't. Oh God. And it's funny, you think growing up on it as a kid and watching my parents both eat it, that I'd eat it, but no. They eat gross. But not for me. Can I have the clipper? Jeez! Them crushers. That's what I'm trying to say.
Clippers in the bathroom.
Would you like me to shave your head bald again?
It's not there now.
I kind of skived them a good one. Skived them. That's my new word. Yeah. Too many fucking new words. Oops. Sorry, this is rated R. Restricted for viewers only. No. I'm actually not gonna curse very much. That's not like me. I'm an angel. I know. Ah. Okay, this one got no shit. Oh yeah, it got shit. I was gonna say he didn't know how to use the bathroom.
All depends how long he was in the water for.
Yeah. So now I finished eating the rest of my lobster because it's all clean. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, really good.
Mm-hmm. This is so freaking yummy. I'm telling you guys, you need to feed a lobster. So where is the season done right now? Is it done in Kansas? Oh, okay.
It's done here.
Oh. How long is it here? Must not be very long.
6 months.
Oh. Why is it so low down home? That's weird.
They're on the same restrictions as Newfoundland.
Who?
Cancel.
Oh. You only can fish for a month.
2 months.
When did they start down home? Around the beginning of April?
Our season goes.
Good dog.
That's first part of May, I believe.
Come on, Megs. Hoi. Hoi. Oh. What a good scoff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tackle these bodies.
Hmm.
Me personally, if I was boiling lobsters, I wouldn't boil male lobsters. I like female lobsters better. There's nothing wrong with male lobsters, but I like the roe.
Likes the eggs. Oh. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here just because I'm done eating and I am stuffed as stuff can be. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little mukbang sitting here with us eating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave in the link below if you enjoyed this, if you want to see more. Yeah, just let me know. And also, don't forget to check the membership shout out. Will be in the description below, and any other links that you can connect with me on any other social medias. So, have yourself a wonderful day, and thank you very much for watching.
Come again?